No more worrying about losing your AC remote or doubting whether you turned off your AC after leaving home. With the Geepas Smart Split AC, cooling your home is always in your hands. Control it from wherever you are, whenever you want. Connecting your Geepas AC to Wi-Fi is quick and easy. Step 1. Download the Smart Life app for Android or iOS. Step 2. Power on your AC and keep Wi-Fi within 5 meters of your AC. Step 3. Press and hold the timer button for 3 seconds until the light flashes. Step 4. Open the app. Tap Add Device. Select Air Conditioner and let it scan. Step 5. Once detected, click Add Device. And you're connected. Benefits of Wi-Fi, air conditioner, remote control, energy saving, enhanced comfort, geofencing, smart home integration. Switch it on before you arrive and step into a perfectly chilled atmosphere the moment you walk through the door.